Look who came back. Pretty mama. We may not see her for a while because when she nests and has her babies, she won't bring them till they're bigger. So it won't be long that we don't see her for a while. So yeah, I'm capturing the moment. She found more seeds in the peanut butter bread. She enjoyed those over the non-seeds. And she enjoyed the sunflower seeds over the pumpkin seeds, of course. They love sunflower seeds. They have their certain spots. Thank you to all the mamas out there. It's my mama's birthday. So all the great mothers, all the mothers out there, thank you. And thank you for just being nurturing. Children are not. Animals, fur babies. She's scooping them sunflower seeds up. They're good, aren't they? Yeah, you like them sunflower seeds? You're beautiful. You're so pretty. I know I tell you that all the time. Yeah, get you more. She's wanting those seeds on the inside. See how she's leaving the pumpkin seeds on the ground and eating the sunflower. It's just Chris. It's okay, pretty eyes, button nose. Don't worry. Get what you want. It's like 9, probably going on 9:10 now. It's 9:07 p.m. here in East Tennessee. She's really getting full tonight, so I think she's planning on a trip. We may not get to see her for a while. Time to do her nesting, build her nest. It's amazing they rip their own hair out of their tail to build their nest for their babies. It's pretty neat. Are you getting full, Mama? So you got more than, obviously there's more than you to feed. You're eating more than I've ever seen in a long time. I understand that appetite. Who knows, you could be feeding for 5. Again. It is in your genetics. Eating the seed. Sorry, eating the seeds. They're so good, huh? She's really enjoying dinner tonight, guys. Well, we got a lot of videos of Mama tonight. We're going to get her full. And I hope y'all enjoyed. She may not be here for a while, like I said. So I'm just taking in the moment. She's amazing. Y'all have a good weekend. Good night, guys.